Hey guys, Jackson back from Teen Tech Printing Insider, and today I'm going to show you how to laser a water bottle with the Bambu Lab H2D 40-watt laser. Okay guys, I'm going to show you how to switch to the laser. The first thing you're going to want to do is cut the power. So the next thing you want to do is going to be removing the glass cover. And then this will give you access to where you need to install the laser module. So you're going to pull the tool head and remove the 3D printing cover, and then grab your laser module. Then you're simply just going to slide the laser module on, click it down, and connect the power cord. Then you want to grab your air assist tube, connect it to the laser module, click it into the little brackets, and then into the machine's air assist port. And then you just want to put the glass back on the top of the machine and then power it back on. Now that the laser is installed, you want to install the correct bed. Now that the correct bed is installed, it's going to prompt me to calibrate it. It's going to ask you safety questions before it'll let you calibrate. Now you want to press and hold the button so it will calibrate. And then it will start. Now that the laser is done calibrating, you want to go to your computer and open up your Bambu Lab Suite. I already have a preset template that I'm going to use for my water bottle. Now that you have your template set in the Bambu Lab Suite, now you want to go set your item inside the Bambu Lab H2D. Now that you're ready to laser engrave your material, if it's a taller material, you're going to first want to lower your bed. Once it's lowered, then like if you're doing a water bottle, you want to take the lid off and then place your water bottle in. And to stop the water bottle from rolling, they came with little stoppers that you're going to want to install. Now that they're installed, you're ready to laser engrave. Now that your material is in place, you're going to come back to your computer. I'm going to go a little slower for this part since the water bottle and it's slightly harder to engrave. You're going to want to go to prepare. You're going to first want to capture an image. Now that it's captured the image, you're going to go pick your material. There's no material for a water bottle, so you're going to pick user defined. Then you're going to want to measure, targeted measure. Pick the place that you want to laser, measure. Now that it's done measuring, you're going to hit apply so it knows the height of the material. Then you're going to recapture the image just in case it's moved. Then you're going to line up your picture. Once you line up your picture, then that's pretty much it, and then you can make it. Now you're going to press send, and once it's done sending, you want to go out to your printer and press the start button. Now you just want to press the start button, and once it makes the ding, it will start going. Now you can watch the laser start going from the safety of your computer. As you can see, it's now finished, and now you have to wait about 30 seconds before you can go out because it has to expel the toxins in the air. Now that it's done expelling the smoke, you're going to open the door, get the water bottle out, and to really see how good it is, you're going to want to go inside and clean it. Another thing that's really important is once you're done lasering, you want to wipe down your machine so it will stay in tip-top shape. As you can see guys, the water bottle came out great. I sell products like this in the Etsy store, and I'll have a link to that store in my bio. Like and subscribe, and if you guys have any more questions about this 3D printer, please comment your questions.